Porto, French Air Force 4020, good morning.
French Air Force 4020, good morning. Continue your descent to flight level 70.
Flight level 70, French Air Force. Porto, report ready to copy the requested clearance from French Air Force.
So we are ready, you can say.
French Air Force 4020, in an emergency, we request to land in a full stop on ILS runway 17. Speed is 280 knots indicated. It will be in final 180 knots indicated. Destination 200.
French Air Force 4020, all copied. Continue fast flight level 70. I call you back to continue the approach.
Good copy. And for information, we are good condition, the ground in sight. And my wingy French Air Force 4021 is following me. We are two ships.
Roger.
4221 is on frequency.
French Air Force 4010, correction, 4021, Roger.
At Porto, French Air Force 4221, we will shadow our leader 4220 to the landing, and after we'll request to hold block 1 in your TMA waiting forward.
Roger. French Air Force 4021, do you want to hold the Tadnov, or do you want to continue the approach with the other traffic, and then you go around at the minimum?
And Porto, from the French Air Force, the two aircraft will proceed to the minimum. Leader will land, the number 2 will go around, and then on your orders to wait the runway to be cleaned for him to land.
Roger, all copy, thank you.
French Air Force 4010, good morning, sir, continuing at now, flight 270.
French Air Force 4010, Roger, descend to flight level 120.
And French Air Force 4010, request to flight 270.
Roger, in that case 270, and you can proceed to Adnan.
Flight 270 and continuing at now, French Air Force 4010. At Porto, French Air Force 4020, we are reaching flight level 70, request a lower.
French Air Force 4020, Roger, continue descent to 4,000 feet, QNH 1020, you are cleared, ILS approach, runway 17.
We descend 4,000, 1020, French Air Force, and we are cleared ILS runway 17.
French Air Force 4020, when possible, if you can give me information, fuel on board, people on board, and if you have hazardous cargo.
Expect POP 2+2 fuel 4 tons for the leader and 6 tons for the number 2. No weapon, no weapon.
Roger, thank you for information.
And Porto, French Air Force, we have a request for you.
Say again?
Please, during the landing, check the aircraft, check that there is no fire beyond.
Roger, I'll pass through the information, thank you.
And we also...
If ever it's the case, I want a call from you on the radio.
Roger, I will inform you, okay.
And we of course need emergency services on ground.
They are already on the ground.
Good copy, we are reaching 4,000, 1020.
You are cleared ILS, runway 17.
Clear ILS, runway 17.
French Force 4010. To Adnan, hold as published, flight level 270.
Hold at Adnan, at flight level 270, French Air Force 4010. And for the French Air Force, we are now localizer established.
Roger, continue the approach, wind check at threshold 170 degrees 4 knots.
We continue the approach. And Porto, for information, French Air Force, we are ILS established, we descend 2.4, 1020.
Roger. French Air Force, question. French Air Force 4020, contact now, tower frequency 118005.
Negative, request to maintain this frequency if possible, French Air Force.
Roger, remain this frequency.
Thank you.
French Air Force 4020, you are cleared land runway 17, wind 170 degrees 4 knots.
French Air Force, good copy, we are clear to land runway 17. I will report in sight. from French Air Force.
Go ahead.
I have the airport in sight, confirm 2 runway or 1 runway.
It's runway 17, you are clear to land, wind 160 degrees, 4 knots.
Copy, runway in sight, clear to land.
Very far. Roger, are you able to locate by the right? Roger, continue on the runway then.
Approach Porto 21, going around, request to hold the west airspeed block 1 if possible.
Roger, you can turn right fly heading 270.
Right heading 270.
French Air Force 4020, continue straight ahead and then right turn on Juliet if able.
Right turn on Juliet.
Stand by, I call you. Break, French Air Force 4020. In that case, continue straight ahead just to keep clear of the next taxiway and hold position on the runway.
I understand I can proceed straight ahead.
Stay firm. If you are able, you can turn right, otherwise you can head on the runway. The firefighting team is now behind you.
Leaving at Juliet.
Foxtrot Alpha Foxtrot, crashing French Air Force 4020, continue straight ahead to the next taxiway. I call you back to stop.
French Air Force, I am proceeding straight ahead, copy.
Porto approach French Air Force 4221, steady 70, 2000 feet, 1020, request to hold present position and climb block 1.
It's approved.
Climbing present position and holding block 1, French Air Force 4221.
French Air Force 4020, hold position.
French Air Force, holding position. And also French Air Force need to go out and egress the aircraft.
Roger. French Air Force 4020, you can continue straight ahead to a clear area. You have followed me on the right side and you can advise when you are leaving the aircraft.
French Air Force.
Porto approach 4021, say again.
French Air Force 4021, confirm the final level, the level you are now.
I'm flight level 125 and holding present position.
Roger, sir. Stop to climb at flight level 130, and proceed by the right to heading 270.
Copy, by the right heading 270, flight level 130.
French Air Force, shut down the engine.
Roger, engine shutting down. French Air Force 4021, at your right side you have position Redmo Romeo Echo Tango Mike Oscar. Are you able to hold there?
Say again the waypoint, please.
It's Romeo Echo Tango Mike Oscar. It's 6 miles ahead of you on the heading 270 more or less.
Copy, able to hold at Romeo Echo Tango Mike Oscar.
Confirm able or unable?
Able.
Roger. Hold as published at Redmo flight level 130.
Holding flight level 130 at Redmo.